Today's topic is sequence of tense. To understand sequence of tense, we have to understand principal clause and subordinate clauses. Without understanding the clauses, it is very difficult to understand sequence of tense. First, we take up principal clause. Principal are independent clause. It is called independent clause, main clause. So, a principal are independent clause which can exist without a subordinate clause, while a subordinate clause is a dependent clause because it cannot exist without the help of the principal or main clause. Subordinate clauses begin with subordinating conjunctions. Now we come to the main topic, that is sequence of tenses. The sequence of tense is the set of rules by which the tense of the verb in subordinate clause is governed are ruled by the tense of the verb in the principal clause. We will discuss some important rules of the sequence of tense. Rule number one. If the verb of the principal clause is in the present or future tense, the verb in the subordinate clause may be in any tense. Here, examples are given. I will read out them. She says that she plays with dolls. She says that she is playing with dolls. She says that she has dolls. She will say that she had dolls. She will say that she had been busy making dolls. She says that she made dolls. Here, she says, she will say are principal clauses and the rest is subordinate clause. Rule number two. If the verb of the principal clause is in the past tense, the verb of the subordinate clause or clauses must be in the past tense. Examples: she said that she played with dolls. She said that she herself made dolls. She had said that she would buy dolls. Now we'll talk about some exceptions. If the subordinate clause expresses what is true even now, that is, here he is talking about universal truths, habitual facts, proverbial sayings. Example: you said that honesty is the best policy. She told me that the earth revolves around the sun. We said that we are early risers. They said that money makes the mayor go. यानी एक्सेप्शन ये है कि सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज जब यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ या किसी काम को लेकर के स्वभावगत विशेषताएं या किसी की आदत या प्रोवर्ब आदि के संदर्भ में कुछ बताया जाता है, तब सबॉर्डिनेट क्लास का टेंस वर्ब के अनुसार परिवर्तित नहीं होता और इन सेंटेंसेस में हम ये देख चुके हैं. Exception number two, when the subordinate clauses show comparison, their verb may be in any tense. Examples: he worked harder than I work. He worked harder than I worked. He worked harder than I shall work. It is Understandable here that we should always be very careful about tenses. It must be matched with principal clause verbs. Thank you. That's all.